The antidote for heparin overdose is potassium sulfate. Vitamin K antidote for warfarin. Potassium sulfate antidote of heparin. Atropine antidote for organ poisoning. Naloxone opiate and antidote. Digoxin belong to which class? Cardiac glycoside. Cardiac glycoside means increased contractility use CHF arterial fibrinogen. Which insulin is rapid acting? Insulin Lispro. Example of beta 2 selective antagonist salbutamol. Which vitamin prevent neural tube defect? Vitamin B9, folic acid. Rifampicin cause which adverse effect? Orange red urine. An example of proton pump inhibitor is omeprazole. Drug of choice for acute angina attack, nitroglycerin. Which diuretic is potassium sparing? Spironolactone. Vitamin warfarin act by inhibiting vitamin K epixodase reductase. Example of an aminoglycoside antibiotic, gentamicin. The antidote for organophosphate poisoning is atropine plus pralidoximine. Example of loop diuretic, furosemide. Which drug causes red band syndrome? Vancomycin. Which mechanism of action of sulfonylurea stimulate insulin secretion? Which drug is used in tuberculosis meningitis? Rifampicin. Example of beta blocker, atenolol. Which drug is opioid antagonist? Naloxone. Which drug is used in motion sickness? Scopolamine. Common side effect of SC inhibitor, dry cough. The coenzyme required for transformation reaction is pyridoxal phosphate. Drug of choice for status epilepticus, diazepam. In Parkinson, dopamine deficiency occur in substrate nigra. Which vitamin absorption of iron? Vitamin C. Which anticoagulant act by activating antithrombin I, heparin? The causative agent of whooping cough is Bordetella pertussis. Anxiolytic drug that does not cause sedation, bisoprolol. In observatic jaundice, the predominant type of bilirubin conjugated. Which is an example of blue diuretic? Furosemide. Antidote for organophosphate poisoning is atropine. The gold standard test diabetic mellitus is oral glucose tolerance test. Rifampicin act by inhibiting RNA polymerase. In goat, which amino acid is essential? Methionine. Drug used in prophylaxis of angina? Nifedipine. Which phase of clinical trial determining efficiency of drug? Phase 2. Mechanism of action of sulfonylurea. Increase insulin release. The main storage form of iron in the body is ferritin. Which anesthetic cause malignant hypothermia? Halothane. The suicidal inhibitor of MAO is selegirin. The primary bile salt formed in human is taurouric acid. The first clinical signs of vitamin A deficiency is night blindness. Which of the following is an osmotic diuretic? Mannitol. Drug of choice of hypertension in pregnancy? Methyldopa. Which of the following is an glycoprotein hormone? FSH. Beta 1 blocker contraindicated condition? Bronchial asthma. Common drug combination avoided in angina treatment? Bariampere with beta blocker. Anti-angina drug most likely to produce tachycardia? Nifedipine. Digoxin toxicity picture. Yellow vision change. Drug reduce BP mainly by decreasing heart rate. Propranolol. Example of angiotensin receptor blocker is telmisartan. First line drug for hypertension in pregnancy, methyldopa. Which drug causes fast dose hypertension? Progestin. Hydralazine act by arterial dilation. Drug that directly release no for vasodilation. Sodium nitroprusside. Beta 1 selective blocker. Atenolol. Short acting nitrate used for acute angina. Nitroglycerin. Nitrate mainly reduce preload. Beta blocker contraindicated in angina. Pidnenolol. Drug avoided in combination with beta blocker. Berampil. Replace tachycardia is most marketed with nifedipine. Digoxin mechanism, sodium, potassium, ATPase inhibitor. Earliest ECG change in digoxin therapy, PR prolongation. Classic visual symptom of digoxin toxicity, yellow vision in classic. Electrolyte imbalance that predispose to digoxin toxicity. Low potassium increase digoxin binding. Antidote of several digoxin toxicity. Digoxin specific FAB antibody. AC inhibitor increase level of bradykinin. AC inhibitor are contraindicated in biliary renal arterial stenson. Example of ARB, telmisartan. ARB AC inhibitor is ARB does not cause cough. AC inhibitor plus non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug is reduce anti-hypertensive effect. Drug safe in hypertension plus asthma, progestin. Hypertensive emergency drug of choice in pregnancy, hydralazine. Centrally acting alpha-2 agonist, clonidine.